Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how a coffee machine makes coffee. We'll explore the fundamental steps involved in transforming simple ingredients into your favorite morning brew. From heating water to extracting rich flavors, each component plays a crucial role. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of the magic happening inside your countertop appliance, helping you appreciate every cup even more. Every coffee machine relies on a few key parts working in harmony. First, the water reservoir stores your water, typically holding between 1 and 2 liters. Next, a powerful heating element quickly warms the water to around 90 to 96 degrees Celsius. Then, a pump or gravity system pushes this hot water through the finely ground coffee, ensuring thorough saturation and flavor extraction. Finally, the filter basket holds the grounds, allowing the brewed coffee to pass through. Once the water is hot, the brewing truly begins. The heated water is directed over the coffee grounds, which are held in a filter. As the water passes through, it saturates the grounds, dissolving the aromatic oils and soluble solids that give coffee its distinct flavor. This liquid, now rich with coffee essence, then filters through, leaving the spent grounds behind. The entire extraction process usually takes approximately 5 minutes, resulting in a perfectly brewed cup. To consistently achieve an exceptional cup, several factors are important. Always start with fresh, high-quality coffee beans, ideally grinding them right before brewing to preserve their volatile aromas. The water temperature is critical. Aim for around 93 degrees Celsius for optimal extraction. Finally, regular cleaning of your machine, perhaps once every 2 weeks, prevents mineral buildup and ensures pure, untainted flavors in every single brew. Enjoy your perfect coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.